Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum second year class. How are you all beta? Students, as all of you are quite aware that Alhamdulillah we have completed our lesson number 1, the dying sun, and today we will start our lesson number 2 using the scientific method. So open your books, page number 5. Okay students, have you opened your books on page number 5? Okay. Students, the author of this lesson is Darrell Bernard and Lon Edwards. Students, in this essay, they have told us that how science has helped us in almost all fields of life, especially in the field of medicine. As all of us are quite aware that we are living in the modern age and we are using a lot of inventions by the scientists. Okay, but the very first thing and the very main thing that science has helped us in, it is of health system. Students, in previous times, in olden times, it was very difficult for people to live a long life because they suffered from a lot of diseases and there were no medicines for those diseases. Especially many children, they died in their age when they born, and because there were no medicines for them. So the lifespan of humans, it was very short as compared to modern age. So, and beside medicine, beside health, science has helped us a lot in other things, in sanitation system, in food system. It has make the food more better, and by using the scientific methods we can preserve food. Okay students, and people have got rid from the old notions, from superstitions, and this is all the blessings of science. Okay students, let's start the very first paragraph. All of us have benefited greatly from the use of scientific method in solving problems such as those dealing with the maintenance of health, the production and preservation of food, the construction of our homes, and the improvement in communication and transportation. Okay students, the very first sentence, the very first 2-3 sentences, they tell us about the summary of the lesson, that what the writer is going to discuss with us. Students, he's saying that all of us have benefited means to get advantage, gain. ठीक है, आपने एडवांटेज लिया किसी चीज से, किससे? ग्रेटली फ्रॉम द यूज ऑफ साइंटिफिक मेथड. के साइंटिफिक मेथड, जो साइंटिफिक तरीके हैं, उनको यूज करके हमने क्या किया है? वी हैव गेन अ लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट. ठीक है, एंड इट इज क्वाइट ट्रू स्टूडेंट्स इन सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स. अच्छा जी, हमारे क्या क्या मसाइल हल हुए हैं? सच एज दोज डीलिंग विद द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ हेल्थ. ठीक है, फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वाज हेल्थ सिस्टम, देन द प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ फूड्स. फिर उसके बाद बेटा प्रोडक्शन और प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ फूड थी, कि जो खुराक हम बनाते थे, जो फसलें उगाते थे, या उसमें भी कुछ स्लो प्रोसीजर यूज़ होते थे. और उसके बाद अब जो है ना, ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से जो है वो ये फसलें उगाई जाती हैं और खुराक को महफूज भी किया जाता है. इन प्रीवियस डेज इट वॉज डिफ़िकल्ट टू प्रिजर्व फूड. खुराक होती थी, चीज़ें होती थी, बट दे गॉट स्पॉइल्ड बिकॉज देयर वाज नो प्रॉपर वे टू प्रिजर्व देम. ठीक है, द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आवर होम्स. अब जो हमारे घरों की कंस्ट्रक्शन होती है बेटा, उसमें भी साइंटिफिक मेथड यूज होते हैं. एंड द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन कम्युनिकेशन एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो है, कैरेजेस हैं, हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आते जाते हैं बेटा. और कम्युनिकेशन जो है, ठीक है, बातचीत आपस में, हम इसमें भी जो है इन एवरी थिंग साइंटिफिक मेथड्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड. ठीक है, so range of science is unlimited. Not only have our ways of living changed, but people themselves have also been changed. Okay students, देखिए, not only our ways of life, ways of living are changed. हमारा तो way of living ही बदल गया है. ठीक है, and it is all due to scientific method, and rather but people themselves have, लोग भी change हो गए. कैसे change हुए बेटा? Today we are better able to explain happening which used to be considered strange and mysterious. अब क्या होता है बेटा? We are better able to explain happening, कि जो कुछ हो रहा है, we are quite aware that what is going on in other areas as well. In the olden days, people they were aware of the things that are happening around there, ठीक है, around themselves, कि जो उनके घर के या उनके इर्द गिर्द हो रहा होता था बस लोगों को वही पता होता था. But now this is the age of science and we are very much aware that what is happening in the whole world. So this is the scientific method, the scientific ways. Although there is still need for improvement, of course beta, always remember that everything needs improvement, ठीक है. If you are studying, so if you think that you are studying very well, but still there is need for improvement. We are not generally less fearful than our fathers and grandfathers were. We are also more critical in our thinking than our ancestors. कहते हैं कि हम ये नहीं कि हम जो है वो लेस फेयरफुल है, ठीक है. वी आर नाउ जनरली लेस फेयरफुल. अब लेस फेयरफुल है हम अपने जो हमारे फोर फादर्स थे उनके एज कम्पेयर टू आवर फोर फादर्स. वी आर लेस फेयरफुल, ठीक है, क्योंकि वी हैव एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग अराउंड, ठीक है. वी आर ऑल्सो मोर क्रिटिकल इन आर थिंकिंग देन आवर एंसेस्टर. अब कहते हैं कि हम क्रिटिकल हो गए. क्रिटिकल मीन लॉजिकल. अब हम ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से जो है वो चीजों को सोचते हैं, ठीक है.